Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Zoobies kitchen. Today we are preparing Hyderabadi shadiyon doubkekameetha. So let's get started. For this we need a bread loaf. Cut its sides and cut the bread into the cubes. Keep the bread open for about 1 to 2 hours. If the bread is fresh, then keep for more time. We need to fry the bread in the ghee, not in the oil. So we'll fry the bread in the ghee now. Add bread cubes and start frying. Remember not to fry bread cubes on a high flame. It should be fried on low to medium flame. Fry until golden brown, not more than that. Turn the sides and let it fry on other side too. It has done, so remove the excess ghee. Similarly, I am frying all the bread cubes in the same manner. So it's done. Keep it aside. We need 350 to 400 ml of milk. Bring it to a boil. Add sugar. I'm adding 1.5 cup of sugar, which is perfect. But according to your taste, you can adjust sugar. Stir well and cook until the sugar completely dissolves. After this, we are going to add cardamom powder, also known as elaichi powder. Mix it. After this, I am going to add orange food color into this, mixed with water. Stir. Cook for 3 minutes on a medium flame. After this, I am going to add khoya, 2 tablespoons. Give it a mix. Khoya should be completely dissolved. After that, I am going to add 2 teaspoons of milk maid. After adding this, I am going to mix and cook it for a minute. Now add fried bread. Make sure bread has completely immersed in the milk. Cook the bread in the milk for about 8 minutes by covering the lid. After about 8 minutes, you can see bread has completely soaked the milk. That's what we want. Okay, now arrange the bread in the layer. On this layer, firstly I am going to pour the leftover milk. Again, I am arranging the bread slices. Pour the remaining milk. Lastly, I am going to add khoya, which gives it a good taste. Then add coarsely grinded almonds, pistachios and cashews as required. So it's the final look. Isn't it look so delicious? It turned out so soft and juicy. You can definitely go and try it. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye. Allah Hafiz.